Okay, Steve and Stan here on Ponte Vedra Beach, and we're going to head north into that fog up the beach and see how far we can go. And as we look at the bike Stan's riding on here, it's got some pretty fat tires on the back and the front. That's because of the soft sand, so we'll keep you posted.
Tires.
Yeah, woo!
Straight behind, otherwise the thing crashes on you.
Yeah, take it easy until you get used to it. It's about 4:30, low tide on Ponte Vedra Beach. I'm trying to catch up to Stan here on that fat tire bike, Beach Cruiser. And we're beach cruising. And Stan's visiting from New Hampshire where it's snowing right now. Do you want to say anything to the people? Yeah, Stan and I are still riding, and we got a surfer up here, and he's got one of those surfboards, Stan, that you paddle, you stand up and paddle on.
Oh, okay.
See how he's got the paddle? So we're just cruising, and another bike coming the other way. And Stan's in back. Stan's riding right near the birds. See some terns and gulls. We're heading back south to Solana Road, and the beach is deserted and the sun is shining on the water. And just a beautiful day. Stan and I just arrived at where we have to get off the beach, and we've got a double rainbow here. And we're just resting here.